What's it like to live in a land where medieval castles meet modern cities? Welcome to Poland, a country where old stone walls whisper ancient stories and bustling cafes serve sweet pastries just steps from grand Gothic cathedrals. From the snow-covered Tatra Mountains to the breezy shores of the Baltic Sea, Poland is bursting with contrasts, color and charm. In this video, we'll journey across Poland's diverse landscapes, explore its rich history and traditions, and discover delicious dishes like pierogi and pączki. We'll visit fairy tale castles, colorful festivals, and nature so wild you might spot a bison. Whether you dream of hiking through forests, strolling historic streets, or tasting something new, Poland has something unforgettable for everyone. So hit that like button if you love exploring the world, subscribe for more adventures, and tell us in the comments, what would you want to experience in Poland? Poland is full of surprises. Did you know that Poles are passionate about pierogi, those tasty dumplings filled with everything from cheese to mushrooms? You'll find them at family dinners, festivals, and even school lunches. Chess is another favorite. It's not unusual to see people of all ages playing in parks or cafes, thinking through each move like quiet warriors. Though popular, chess isn't quite as central to Polish pastimes as sports like volleyball or football, which draw passionate fans and players nationwide. And here's a legendary twist. In Kraków, there's a cave said to be home to a fearsome dragon. Locals even built a fire-breathing statue near Wawel Castle to remember the tale. Oh, and Poland proudly claims some of Europe's oldest still-running restaurants, like Wianki in Kraków and Piwnica Świdnicka in Wrocław, though there's some friendly debate over which truly holds the title. Poland stretches from the sandy beaches of the Baltic Sea in the north to the rugged peaks of the Tatra Mountains in the south. That means you can sunbathe, sail, hike and ski, all in one country. Located in the heart of Central Europe, Poland borders 7 different countries, making it a natural crossroads of cultures and ideas. It's the 9th largest country in Europe, with wide plains, rolling hills, thick forests, and over 7,000 lakes. Poland's weather brings a full 4 seasons. Summers are warm and sunny, perfect for outdoor festivals and lake adventures. Winters can be snowy and magical, especially in the mountains, where towns like Zakopane turn into cozy ski villages. This mix of terrain and climate gives Poland its rich variety of scenery and activities for every kind of traveler. Poland is a green wonderland filled with natural treasures. One of the most magical places is Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's one of the last and largest remaining parts of Europe's primeval forest. It's also home to the European bison, the continent's heaviest land animal. Seeing one in the wild feels like stepping into a nature documentary. Poland boasts 23 national parks, each offering something unique, from misty mountains and alpine meadows to marshlands buzzing with birds. The Biebrzα River winds through peaceful wetlands, perfect for kayaking and spotting wildlife. Ecotourism is growing fast here. More travelers are choosing to hike, bike and explore nature in ways that help protect it. Local guides and nature lodges often work with conservation groups to keep these areas wild and beautiful. Whether you're a nature lover or just curious, Poland's wild side is full of surprises. Poland's cities are filled with history and charm. In Kraków, Wawel Castle stands proudly on a hill, guarding centuries of royal tales. In Warsaw's Old Town, colorful buildings rise from cobblestone streets, rebuilt after World War II. Head north to find Malbork Castle, the largest brick fortress in the world. Each landmark tells a story of kings and knights, battles and beauty that brings Poland's past to life before your eyes. Poland's natural beauty is just as impressive. The Masurian Lake District offers thousands of shimmering lakes connected by rivers, perfect for boating, biking, or just relaxing by the water. In the south, the Tatra Mountains rise high with snowy peaks, crystal-clear streams, and wild mountain trails. Zakopane, a nearby mountain town, is a favorite base for exploring the region. Whether you love forests or peaks, Poland's wild side is full of adventure. Get ready for a tasty trip. Poland's most beloved food is pierogi, dumplings stuffed with cheese, meat, or sweet fruit. Try bigos, a rich stew with cabbage and sausage, often called hunter's stew. For dessert, don't miss pączki, fluffy Polish donuts with sweet fillings. Want a true local experience? Visit a milk bar, an old-style cafeteria where hearty meals are served for just a few coins. In Poland, every bite tells a story. Poland knows how to celebrate. The Wianki festival lights up Krakow's riverbanks with floating flower wreaths, music and fireworks. In Gdańsk, the St. Dominic's Fair brings weeks of food, crafts and colourful street performances. During winter, Poland transforms into a holiday wonderland with magical Christmas markets, twinkling lights and warm spiced drinks. These events bring communities together and give travelers a chance to join in the fun. Poland's culture is full of heart, history and colourful traditions. Many families still pass down folk art, like hand-painted Easter eggs and embroidered clothes with bold floral patterns. In rural villages, you might even hear folk music played on violins and wooden flutes during local festivals. Catholicism plays a big role in Polish life, with many traditions centered around religious holidays. Churches are not only places of worship, they're also architectural treasures filled with stained glass and quiet beauty. One of the most playful traditions is Śmigus Dyngus, or Wet Monday, celebrated the day after Easter. On this day, people splash each other with water, sometimes with buckets. It's said to bring luck and is especially popular among kids and teenagers. These traditions, both serious and silly, help keep Poland's spirit alive. They connect the old with the new and make every holiday feel like something truly special. Life in Poland moves to a rhythm that balances old and new. Family is at the heart of daily life, and Sundays are often reserved for big homemade lunches with grandparents, cousins, and plenty of stories. In cities like Warsaw or Wrocław, people live busy, modern lives, working in offices, taking trams, and meeting friends in stylish cafes. But in villages, life is slower. Neighbors know each other, gardens are well kept, and homemade jams are a point of pride. Whether in the city or countryside, Polish people are known for being warm, resilient, and always ready to offer you tea and cake. Poland's economy is a mix of tradition and tech. Agriculture still plays a big role, with fields of wheat, apples, and potatoes stretching across the countryside. But in cities, a different story unfolds. Tech startups are booming, especially in places like Kraków and Warsaw, where young entrepreneurs are building apps, games, and green technology. For travelers and locals alike, life in Poland is affordable. Public transport, tasty meals, and even historic museums often cost less than in other European countries. This mix of hard-working roots and future-focused energy makes Poland both welcoming and forward-thinking. Poland's history is full of challenges and incredible courage. In the late 1700s, Poland was divided and erased from maps by neighboring powers. But the Polish spirit never disappeared. During World War II, Poland was invaded and suffered great losses, including the destruction of many cities and the horrors of the Holocaust. After the war, Poland lived under communist rule for decades. Then came the Solidarity movement, led by workers at the Gdańsk shipyards. Their peaceful protests helped bring down communism in 1989. Today, Poland stands proud and independent, its history remembered in museums, monuments, and the hearts of its people. Poland is a democracy where people vote for leaders and laws. After years under communist rule, the country now values freedom and open debate. It's also a proud member of the European Union, EU, which means Polish citizens can live and work across Europe, and travelers can explore the country with ease. Young people in Poland are becoming more active in social and environmental causes, from climate marches to art-driven protests. They're shaping the future with bold ideas and digital creativity. This blend of tradition and change makes Poland's political and social scene dynamic and always evolving. Planning a trip to Poland? Here are some handy tips. The local currency is the Polish zloty, PLN, not the euro, so make sure to exchange money or use a card that works internationally. The best times to visit are spring, May, June, and autumn, September, October, when the weather is mild and cities aren't too crowded. Summer is great for lakes and festivals, while winter turns mountain towns into snowy fairy tales. Getting around is easy with trains, trams and buses connecting most towns and cities. Big cities like Warsaw and Kraków have fast, affordable public transport. Whether you're exploring castles or hiking trails, Poland is a welcoming, well-connected place to explore on almost any budget. Poland is considered a safe and welcoming country for travelers. Its cities are generally clean, well-organized, and easy to navigate. Locals are often happy to help, especially if you learn a simple Dzień dobry, hello. Whether you're a solo traveler or with family, stick to well-lit areas at night and keep an eye on belongings in crowded places like train stations or festivals. Tap water is safe to drink and emergency services are reliable. With a little awareness and a smile, most visitors find Poland a comfortable and peaceful place to explore, full of kind people and good memories. Poland takes pride in its education system, with strong public schools and many universities offering programs in English. Kids study subjects like math, languages and science from an early age. The country also has modern infrastructure, well-maintained roads, high-speed trains, and growing digital networks. Free Wi-Fi is common in cities, and mobile coverage is wide. In smaller towns and villages, however, internet access can be patchier, so it's good to plan ahead. Whether you're learning, working, or just exploring, Poland keeps you connected and moving smoothly. From peaceful forests and storybook castles to delicious dishes and heartfelt traditions, Poland is a country full of beauty, history, and soul. Whether you're drawn to its wild mountains or charming city streets, there's something here for everyone. Which part of Poland would you love to see first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys around the world.